Apologies for the last part. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic, and it has a 15-minute limit to it. And once I go further than that, it just cuts it and then loads it up to YouTube. So here I am again. We're on benefits for both. Now let me read. Educative advisory, benefits for both. Because science fiction isn't about incessant stories about fictional romanticism or chock-full of modernized slapstick jokes, these are old-fashioned comedy genre or techniques where characters accidentally or willingly sometimes do silly things like tripping over rocks or stepping on rakes to make themselves look embarrassing. It can be referred by other students, particularly mechanical, technological, medical, and computer engineering-oriented subjects, which are abandoned in Turkey, of elite interested in taking language learning courses in, and departments, mentors could guide and influence them to write, design, and bring theoretical entities, elements, or events into reality. I consider the following as it says, which could even profit the English language departments in terms of financial worth and reputability. With these sorts of politics, both the departments and universities could be further augmented to reach out bigger international projects or international projects. And again, stressing the topic, departments' future majors related to the subjects, both sci-fi and actual science subjects, can change the preferences and perceptions of popular culture and the inhabitants of our society with these projects and suggestions by maybe altering or manipulating the pop culture of of the present day and enlighten our people so we won't have to watch or read the same um, or the same cycling content on the TV on channels and even on online platforms such as YouTube or Netflix. By that, what I mean is that if authorities, such as literature departments, schools, or TV channels like educational TV channels, emphasize on the task of teaching and exploring the contents of related genres like science fiction, fantasy fiction, and its subgenres and anything else similar to those categories, as I again say, such as fantasy fiction for both the official student groups and for future literary works volunteers like students who might have already made a major in certain subjects to study and learn of. We, the present-day mentees and mentors, can alter the future of not only just English literature, but all of art too, which the future humankind may also benefit from.